Hey everybody, it's Mrs. McGurkin. I just wanted to make a little video to explain to you how we're going to finish up our bacterial cultures lab. So first of all, we do need to share out the data so that you guys can complete the information on the lab handout. If you guys notice down here in the question section, there is a part that looks at like all of the findings. So what we're going to be doing to share out that information is adding pictures and bacterial counts to this Google slideshow that I have created. This is shared with you guys in Google Classroom, so please head there once you are ready to put on your information, okay? I gave you guys a sample slide of a couple cultures that were collected. So as you guys can see here, I have pretty clearly labeled the two culture plates, and I've looked at before cleaning and after cleaning. However you guys want to do this is up to you. If you'd rather wait until afterward to label it right in the slideshow, that's fine, but just keep track of your pictures. All right. Um, you're also going to put in over here your bacterial counts. So again, for before and after you guys clean your sample. And if you notice up here at the top, I have a title that shows what my sample was taken of. All right. On the original lab handout, you guys have a page that looks at how to analyze these bacterial plates. So as you guys can see, there are three options. So it totally depends on what your plates look like. In some cases, the cultures have really distinct colonies that you can easily count, like you see up here in this picture. The circles are really well defined and easy to count. That's one option. Option two, perhaps the bacterial covers the entire plate. If that is the case, as you guys can see here, you're going to be figuring out area using kind of like geometric shapes and then looking at like the area for there. Okay. And if you have samples that show colonies, but there are like bazillions of them, like you guys can see here, another option is to look at small sample areas. The bacterial plates handout does recommend that you guys do 1 centimeter square area, count all of the bacteria in there, and then multiply it out. Okay. Whatever your culture plate looks like, it's going to be totally up to you. Obviously, if you have questions, please ask. All right. Um, Another thing that I just want to remind you guys as you get ready to look at your plates, you have to, again, wash your hands, put on gloves and goggles, and never, ever, ever, under any circumstances, open the Petri dishes. Okay? I cannot stress that enough. I want to keep you guys safe. All right? And again, once you have your information, make sure that you upload it to our Google slideshow so that we can share out the information and then you guys can complete these questions that are at the end of your lab handout. Okay? It would be best to answer these questions on a separate piece of paper or making a Google Doc to print out and hand in. All right. So let me know if you have questions and good luck.